We've talked about AI replacing artists, writers, coders, but what if I told you that's just the beginning? In the next few years, entire industries you thought were safe are about to be turned upside down. And the scary part? Most people still have no idea what's coming. This video will change how you see AI's role in the world, and maybe even your career. Let's dive in. AI is taking over the legal industry, and you won't believe how. Just the other day, I saw that someone had used AI to fight a parking ticket and won. And it got me thinking, if this is the kind of thing that you can use AI for, what else can it do? Turns out that there's a whole platform called Do Not Pay that's using AI to help people fight parking tickets, speeding tickets, and even jury duty. But that's just the beginning. There's also a service called Case Text that uses AI to help lawyers draft contracts and predict the outcome of a case. And it can do all of this in minutes, which used to take hours. And that's just for one person. So, if you think that your law degree is going to save you, think again, because it's only a matter of time before these tools become commonplace. And when that happens, you're going to need more than just a piece of paper to hang on to your job. Years ago, medicine was untouchable. You needed years of training to become a doctor. The human element was just too complex for AI to replace. But that's changing. AI systems like DeepMind's AlphaFold have solved protein folding, which scientists have been trying to solve for decades. AI is also being used to help radiologists diagnose tumors. And in some cases, AI is already outperforming radiologists. These tools don't just make healthcare more efficient and cheaper, they make it better. Faster, cheaper, more accurate consultations with doctors via chat. GPT-like models trained on patient records. This is going to be huge. Doctors won't disappear, but the way we access healthcare is being rewritten. This is the future of medicine. While everyone was focused on white-collar jobs, AI quietly crept into the factories. For example, Boston Dynamics' new robot can now assemble products, inspect its own quality, and adjust the process all in real time. It's not just that these robots are taking over assembly lines, they're also learning how to do it better than any human ever could. Take this robot arm, for example. It uses AI to predict when a machine will break down and then schedule maintenance for that machine automatically. This means that fewer humans are needed on the ground to monitor these machines. And with Boston Dynamics' latest robots being able to learn tasks autonomously, the idea of having a job for life-assembling products on an assembly line is quickly becoming obsolete. This isn't automation. It's AI learning on the job. The robots are coming for your job. Self-driving cars are just the beginning. AI is optimizing entire supply chains. From the moment your Amazon package leaves a warehouse until it's delivered to your doorstep, every mile is being watched over by machine learning. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are racing towards full autonomy, and in China, autonomous freight convoys are already moving cargo. This technology is not limited to the tech giants. Any company that owns a fleet of trucks or delivery services could benefit from AI-powered optimization. Think about how much time and money is wasted on traffic jams. Well, no more. With AI, trucks can drive in convoys, reducing the need for human drivers and improving efficiency. So, what does this mean for you? If you're a truck driver, you might be out of a job in the near future. But if you're a consumer, you'll benefit from cheaper and faster deliveries. It's tempting to panic. I get it. But here's the truth. AI isn't going to kill every job. It will kill the ones that don't evolve. The future belongs to people who adapt, who understand how to use AI, not fight it. Think about it. AI can make us more productive, more creative, even more human, but only if we steer it with ethics, with education, and with awareness. We have the chance to use AI to our advantage, to make our lives easier, our businesses smarter, and our world more sustainable. So yes, there will be some disruption. Some jobs will be lost, but that's okay because new ones will be created. And those who learn to adapt, to think critically, to be aware of the potential pitfalls of AI and to use it responsibly, will thrive. This is the defining issue of our time. Will you rise to the occasion? Will you learn to adapt and to thrive in this new world? Or will you fall behind? The choice is yours. So, is your job next? Maybe. But here's the thing. You still have time to pivot, to prepare, and to thrive in a world that's changing faster than ever before. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a wake-up call. The future isn't waiting. Are you?